Hey guys, Andy here, and I recently picked up a new spray to add to my car detailing arsenal. So it's not exactly a wax, a sealant, or even a traditional ceramic coating. It's actually a ceramic spray coating, and it looks like this. Made by Turtle Wax. They've actually come a long way. I have a few of their other products, like especially their Turtle Wax Ice line. I'm a big fan of those, like their spray detailers. And I've heard nothing but good things about this Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating made by Turtle Wax. So on the bottle it says it has synthetic wax polymers along with SiO2, which many of you know the silicone is what made ceramic coatings so popular nowadays. Every ceramic coating out there claims SiO2 content. Like a lot of them have 2%, but yeah. So we'll see how this performs, and I'm going to put it on the hood of my RX to show you guys. So this is what the hood of my RX looks like right now. It has been cleaned off, fully prepped for a layer of coating. Clay barred, polished, everything. It's bare bone. I don't know how well you can see it on camera, but when I was prepping the hood, it felt smooth as glass. I'm not going to touch it now, put any fingerprints or smudges on it. One thing to note, the instructions do state to let it cure for 24 hours before doing anything else with it, or even applying a second coating, which a lot of people actually do recommend you do. So let's get to it. One thing to note, you want to shake up the bottle to homogenize the product. Make sure everything's even within the bottle. And we'll stick to a 1-section max spray, 2 sprays. So I let that cure for 24 hours, and then we'll come back for a water test. I'll do water beading and water sheeting. For me, I look for water sheeting, the ability for the water to sheet off the car. Beading's nice, but if you just let the tight beads sit on your paint and dry, you end up with little specks of dirt and dried water spots all over your car. Sheeting actually dries your car, so there's a difference. Alright guys, it's been 24 hours. I let the paint Alright guys, it's been 24 hours. I let the ceramic coating cure, and let's see how the water behaves on the hood. So I'm going to start off with water beading, and then I'll get into water sheeting. So let's begin. So I guess for $15, that's not too bad. Water beads were nice, pretty solid, tight formation, and the water sheeting, I could have used a little bit more water pressure, but you get the point. I mean, you saw the water just running off the hood, and after you let the water run off with the hose like that, whatever's remaining is a whole lot easier for you to dry, whether you're using a towel, or for me, I use a blower so I don't even touch the paint again. And you saw how easily the water was just blowing right off. So for me, and this entire bottle being only around 15 bucks, the ease of use, wipe on, buff off, and leaving no streaks, and the performance it's given, I highly recommend this product. But I can't say too much about the how long it's going to last, whether they actually offer 6 months protection or what. I mean, me personally, I've done the traditional ceramic coating on my car before, and this process versus the application process of that, hands down, this was much simpler and less tedious. So I think Turtle Wax really stepping up their game lately, especially products like this one. And even their ice line, I heard the Turtle Wax Ice Seal and Shine was a fantastic product as well. This is kind of a competitor for it now. I mean, it's the same company, but yeah, highly recommend it. If you get a chance, definitely try it out. And as always, guys, if you like the video and you want to see more car detailing stuff from me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like the video. And if you want to, leave a comment down below. And also, guys, I will leave the link to everything I use in my videos in the description box below. See you guys next time. Peace.